Salute Trade Game Team. What's happening? Y'all know where I'm at, right? Y'all recognize this place? Yeah, it's another video, man. Let me fix my jewelry. Yeah, man. Motivation, baby. Motivation. Y'all don't even know, man. The motivation. I'm at my old job again, man. You know what's going on? 3 years, man. Yo, it's crazy. Next year, let me see. I left 2000. Today's 2020. So 2001. I left January. Well, I really left December 2020. So this December will be 2 years, man. And I got the camera right here. I want that camera to see me recording in front of it. I'm like, what is this guy doing? Is that ex-employee? Yes, it is, man. It's a beautiful thing, man. So I'm making this video to tell y'all some things, man. Pardon me, I got on like 3 different chains, and you know, I'm coming from like a boat party. So I pulled over, I was driving, and I wasn't too far, so I said, you know what? I think I'm gonna make a stop right here, man. I think I'm gonna make a stop right here. You know what I mean? So that's what I did. I made a stop on my old job, man, because for motivation purposes, man, motivation only, man. I really am so glad that I got out of here, man. Y'all don't know. It's 5 a.m. I'm in New York. Y'all don't know, man. Y'all don't know, man. 5 a.m., man. I'm a little saucy. I ain't drunk, nothing like that. I ain't driving illegally. Please don't ever think that. I'm just like saucy off the energy. But yeah, so today was an interesting day. So I was looking at some office spaces. A few of y'all told me y'all like in the tri-state area. If anybody wants mentorship now, we're gonna offer in-person mentorship. Also for the people that's trying to get some of the software, I'm gonna work out something where I'm gonna make a course for the software where you can get the software and the course together. I'm gonna start doing live training for people who brought the course, where I'm gonna do calls and just check on y'all to see how y'all doing. So I'm gonna hit the Discord with that information once the video drop. Also, the office space looks like it's a go. I just had to interview somebody for a assistant position. That look like that's gonna work out. So if you want in-person mentorship, you just have to be able to come to the tri-state area, be in the tri-state area, and you know, once you book it, you know, we'll send you the location. Most likely to be in Long Island. If it's not gonna be in Long Island, it'll be in Brooklyn. So it's gonna be in one of those 2 places. Small possibility Queens, but the place I looked at that I'm looking like I'm locking in is Long Island. Outside of that, I'm just here for the motivation, man. I had to come by and just look at this and say, hey, man, I would have been getting up tomorrow morning to come here. You know what I mean? I would have been getting up tomorrow 5 o'clock to come here instead of trading. That's what I would have been doing. I would have been stressed out. I would have been agitated. I would have been sick. You know what I mean? See what I'm saying? These people got 1 day off. I got my whole life off now, baby. But yeah, I just came here to motivate myself, just to remind myself of where I came from, man. How hard work paid off, man. If it wasn't for this job, I wouldn't have had the money to start up my own business, though. So shout out to that. I'm not gonna knock jobs, but with the inflation and the way things is going, if I had only had this job based on what I was making every week, I would have been broke as a joke. You know what I'm saying? So it's all motivation, man. People riding by, they kind of looking like, what is this guy doing? This big black dude, 5 in the morning with a camera in his hand. I motivate myself, baby. Don't let people stop you. So yeah, and that light is the reflection from my car, so that's why y'all seeing that light. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to y'all, let y'all know what's happening. So the software system, I'm gonna try to make sure that when you meet us in person, I give y'all a software system just for that. It's gonna be exclusive. I'm gonna teach y'all how to use all the software. Every week going forward for the rest of the summer, I'm gonna showcase different indicators of software on the channel. So if you see something you like, add it to the repertoire. I'm gonna be showing different EAs, trading systems, indicators, all of that. So every week, I'm gonna show you different systems. For that week, I'm gonna stick to one system and I'm gonna just show y'all that consistently. Once I keep showing y'all that consistently, then I'm gonna be able to move on to another one. So just stay tuned and keep watching. Every system does something different. So what I suggest is if you see one you like, cop it, because the prices of that stuff can go up because we upgrading the stuff to different things. So cop it now before all of that happens, because my partner's upgrading everything. So there's that. The first software I'm gonna show you guys, which I'm already working on now, is gonna be the breakout. That's the first EA that I used and learned how to trade breakouts. So for those of y'all that keep asking me how I be getting 1,000 pips, 100 pips, triple digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, I learned from this robot. So I'm gonna showcase the robot. The robot is on sale on the website now for those of y'all keep asking. So y'all keep saying y'all gonna do this and y'all gonna do that. When I show y'all what the robot could do, if you don't get it, when we upgrade it, that price is upgraded. Okay, so you can get it now and I'll give you a discount on the upgrade. I won't charge y'all for the full price of the newer versions if you got the old versions. You got the old versions with the order receipt, we gonna hook y'all up. If you got no version, when the new ones come out, when them new talking ones come out with all that craziness, you're gonna pay a lot more. I'm going back and forth with my partner about this now. That's why it's not on the site now. The robots are ready, but the reason they're not on the site is because he wants to charge a lot more for them. So I'm telling y'all now, while y'all can, go get it. So yeah, December will make 2 years I've been out of here, man. 2 years. 2 years I've been out of this joint, man. 2 years. And I don't miss it one fucking bit. People hit me up from the job. Yo, what you doing? I tell them, yo, I got my own business. What? You what? I trade. Oh, I heard so many bad things about that. What did you hear? What did you hear? You heard that trading is nonsense so that you can stay at your job picking oranges for your boss, right? That's what you heard. You heard 90% of traders fail because 90% of traders be learning off YouTube. That's a joke. I'm gonna stop. But anyway, yeah, man. So I'm just kicking it. It's crazy too, because just to show you, when you a trader, right? Look at this shit. I want y'all to see this. When you a trader, you the only one here. There's nobody else out here. There's people going to work now, don't get me wrong, but for the most part, I'm the only one out here. I'm the early bird. I'm always up before everybody. I mean, the sun is just now. Look, the night lights are still on. This is what y'all know. Just so y'all think I'm not BSing, right? The night lights are still on, so that means it's still nighttime. It's 5 a.m. right now. I'm telling y'all this now. It's 5 a.m. And that mean I've been up since what? How long I've been out? I ain't even sleep. Like I said, there we go. We got somebody coming now. Got somebody coming now. I ain't gonna put them on camera, but I just want to show you. There's people going to work out here, but yeah. So, yeah. So like I said, I did look at some office spaces. So it looked like we're gonna be able to do the one-on-one mentorship. So those of y'all that's in New York or coming to New York, or y'all just want to hook up with some traders, listen. I'm gonna give y'all some exclusive software for those of you who want to do the one-on-one. It's gonna be a package where you don't have to get it, but if you get it, you're gonna get some bank software. So I'm gonna tell you, I can't tell you nothing else. I can't say no more. I'm gonna get in trouble. But the bottom line is you're gonna get something special if you pick it. That's all I'm gonna tell you. And for those who bought the course, buying the course, I will start this July. I'm gonna start doing conference calls with y'all. We gonna trade, see how y'all trading is doing. I'm gonna show y'all some tricks of the trades, little things that'll help you trade better. For everyone buying the course, you're gonna get that. You're getting access to a VIP channel on the Discord for the people who bought the course. You're gonna get discounts to software for people who bought the course. I'm not pumping the course, I'm just trying to promote something to people that's loyal to me. If you're spending some kind of money, I'm giving you some kind of deal. That's just it, period. Hopefully you guys see what's going on in the news. You see what's happening with crypto and old stocks and everything. People who didn't trade, everybody but traders is getting banged out here. So if you trading, be glad. That's all I gotta tell you. Just be glad. So, see all these pickup trucks too? All these pickup trucks. So these pickup trucks out here. Those are the dudes making the real money. I learned that too. The dudes with the pickup trucks, yeah, they killing. Those be the dudes that be working 9 shifts. They never go home. I know a couple of them. That's how I know. But yeah. So I'm about to get back in the car, man. Get out of here. But I just wanted to step in here and chop it up with y'all. Give y'all some Forex motivation. Don't listen to people, because 2 years ago they had me in here telling me my own shop steward, a very good friend of mine, who they fucked over. By the way, they fucked him over bad. I ain't gonna get into personal details, but he ain't listen. He stayed. And he got screwed, just like 90% of the people that I knew here. They got screwed out of their jobs. I kept telling them, you could see the writing was on the wall. Just like I'm telling y'all, economically, this is going to be a bad summer. It's going to be a bad year. It's going to be a hard holiday. If you ain't trading, what are you doing? Fine. If you watching this, you interested. If you watch any kind of trading video, you interested. Get to it, because I'm telling you, you're going to need that extra money. Gas, Biden just said people will be paying gas prices, high gas prices, for the unseeable future. He said exactly this, however long it takes. Translation, until they win that proxy war. I can't get into too much details, they're going to flag this video, take it down. YouTube be tripping on, social media tripping, you get too political. Bottom line is, until they decide they had enough, we going to pay. You better have that extra money, man. So invest in yourself now while it's cheap, because everything going to keep going up. So look at all this. Now it's work time. I'm going to turn the phone this way so y'all can see all the calls. Now it's work time. Now that it's approaching 6 o'clock, you see all these people going to work now. Now the streets is getting busy. See all the cars going by? Now it's people. Now just a second ago I showed y'all the street was empty. Now it's mad cars starting to come through here because it's time to get their asses the bacon and biscuits. Don't miss that. Don't miss that. But anyway, seriously though, let me stop, cracking small Alec jokes and get serious for a second. Things are gonna get hard. They're already getting hard. I see it when I go to the store. I went and bought a bottle of alcohol and some paper towels. That used to cost me $2. That cost me $6.50. I was like, geez, man, just everything is ridiculous now. So invest in yourself, man. Get yourself ready for what's coming and get your skills in order. Learn how to fish, because when you work at a job like this job paid me very well. I'll admit that. But when you work at a good paying job, they're feeding you. You need to learn how to feed yourself. A lot of y'all dudes that's working is cool, but what happens if you lose your job? What happens if that happens? You know what I'm saying? Learn how to feed yourself. Don't keep relying on your jobs. Don't. You can keep them, but keep a fishing pole in your closet. Keep some tackle, some bait. Learn how to go fish, man, in case something go wrong. A lot of people who work here, I could call them on the phone, record it so y'all can hear how they turned out. It's sad. Sad how a lot of the people who I was cool with here, how they turned out. And all the people who was kissing ass and sucking cock, I don't know how they went home and kissed their moms with those mouths. Those was the ones that ended up getting better positions from here. They offered me one because I worked hard. As you can see from the way I upload videos, the way I trade, the same way how y'all see me going crazy trading was the same way I bust my ass in here. I swear to you guys, on my mother's soul, my mother passed away January 27th of this year. I swear on my mother, I used to bust my ass in here every day, and they still would mess with me and try to fire me and do all kinds of shit because they didn't want my black ass making that money. I'm telling y'all, the same way I trade, the same way I upload, everything I do, I try my best to go hard. I got an office coming for you guys. I got software. I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to trade on this software to make y'all trading easier. I swear to you guys, I'm gonna go hard. Everything I do, I go hard. I went hard in here. But my friends, they took it for granted. They thought it was okay. They thought, I almost dropped this phone. They thought they would be here forever, safe, secure. They were wrong, man. They were wrong. A lot of them got screwed. Some of them got screwed so bad they had to leave town and go find cheaper places to live because they got screwed, man. It's a sad story what happened to some of them. And all of those guys who they got screwed, guess what they told me? Trading is not good. Trading is a joke. It's nonsense. I'm still here. So anyway, it's your boy Jimmy, TGOFX, TradeGameOfficial.com. I'm gonna get out of here. I just had to make this video to let y'all know, man. It's real. I'm in the middle of the streets, man. My old job, man. Boy, I tell you now, I don't miss this shit one bit, baby. Thank God. Thank God, man. Thank God got me out of here. I was so terrified when I left, and now look, I love it. Anyway, I'm going in my car to continue to have a good time, enjoying this 4th of July weekend, this holiday, And if you look, there's somebody down there now trying to come to work, trying to get in. That's crazy. Yeah, not me though. Not me. Look at that. Someone trying to go to work. But not me, guys. I'm getting out of here. And y'all should too. Remember, join the Discord so you can get the latest information on everything happening. All the updates on everything is there. For the people signing affiliateships, check your affiliateship status. You should be in the program. If anybody got any questions, hit me up. Peace.